Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to solve Leetcode question number 70, climbing stairs. So let's focus on the question statement once. You are climbing staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time either you can climb one or two steps. In how many distinct ways you can climb to the top? So the question states that we need to go to the nth step, and to reach the nth step, either we can take one step or either we can take the two steps. So we need to find the total number of ways we can reach to the nth step by either taking one step or two steps. So this is the question. So it's very clearly indicating us like we have an option of taking one step or we have an option of taking the two steps. So I think since there is an option, I think we need to have like backtracking into this. So let's start by coding. I think the observation is only like, okay, I will note down the observation and thought process. Observation was we need to take either one step or two step. Thought process is pretty much this, like we we have a we have option of either climbing one step or two step. Since there is an option, we are inclined towards the clickers. So yeah, that's much of our thought process. Let's comment this down so that we don't end up like getting error due to this. So yeah, so we will be having a function called as traverse, and we will be passing simply n into this, and we will be having a function traverse, and we will again pass like int n into that. Okay. So what option we have? Like what I'm trying to do is like I'm not starting from the 0th step and I'm going to first climb one step or climb two step. I'm directly thinking like we are at the nth step and now we are coming down. So we can have like the options, the number of count will be the same. Like if I start from the top to bottom or bottom to top. So that is what I am thinking. So I will be having here like return traverse of. So we have option of going one step down, or we have option of going two step down. That is what question indicates here. So yeah, so this is what it is, and somehow we are, if we are able to reach to the bottom floor, like n is equal to 0, we can here straight away say that we have reached here. So we can return 0, right? 0. And if else if so yeah. Okay, we can return 1, right? We reach the end. And if n is less than 0, we can definitely return 0 here. Like this is not a valid case, so why should we even count it? So yeah, that's it pretty much. Like let's return here. So yeah, let's try to run it once. Yeah, it got accepted. Okay, so we are facing TLE here. So which probably indicates I did not went through the constraint. So yeah, it is n is less than equal to 45. So if we are facing the issue here, that means we need to store down the nth step, uh, the number, like what will happen, what is happening here is like basically from what I can think of, like there is like 1 to uh, 1 0 to 50 step. So let's say if I jump 50 minus 2, it takes me to the same node which has like 48 value. And if I do 50 minus 1 and then again 50 minus 49 minus 1, this both are taking me to the same nth node, like this one and 48 and 48. So if we draw a recursion tree, then you will be very much uh, understanding that what I'm trying to say here. Like if I'm starting from 50th staircase, 50th step, so if I do minus 2, I'll reach the same staircase for numbering 48. And if I start from 50th staircase and I just got down one step and again got down one step, I will reach the same staircase with the 48 number. So that is what I'm indicating. So both the ways I'm reaching the same of the staircase. So if I have to solve again for 48 here and again for 48 here, which will be causing us the duplicacy, or like same number of same type of call many number of times. So what we can do is, like for this step, if I can store the value number, the submission, so that will be very much helpful for me. So what I will do here is I will define a map here to store down that thing, an ordered map of int comma int. Let's call it as dp, and let's have it like dp of n is equal to this. Okay, and let's have like if dp dot find n is not equal to dp dot end, we can pretty much return it, right? So return dp of n. So yeah, let's try to run it once now again. Okay, so we need to comment that out. Okay, let's try to submit it. So yeah, this got pretty much accepted. So yeah, that's the solution for this question.